Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 19th of September. Now we do have the Bollinger Bands actually opened up at the moment, and we're coming down and we've actually come to the lowest part of the band. But this was just me checking out the Bollinger Bands. Now there's one thing that I do think that is about to happen for Bitcoin, and my take is that I probably do see Bitcoin making a little bit of bear flag right over here on the daily time frame, and the next technical target, if you're looking at that bear flag, then we're talking about a move to the downside to come to nearly 17,000. Now when you do come down to 17,000, that's not a good sign because you're taking the last wick down here. So when you take that last wick, you potentially could start to go really badly to the downside. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about though is that I did have a little bit of a mistake in drawing the trend line. Okay, so previously, if I just remove everything right there, now my trend line was off, just a little bit off. My trend line was something actually like this, okay, something like that. But I realized, this is that very tiny detail that you have to pay attention to. But I realized the trend line wasn't like this, and this was never a support, but the trend line was like this, and this was actually resisted. Okay, so this was never a morning star right off the support, but it was a morning star. It was more like a retest of the support to get rejected that actually turned into resistance now. So basically, yeah, we're still looking for at least $17,300 is something that I'm looking forward to, a 17,500. So 17 figures is actually going to come in. The thing is that today's Monday, and by Monday, my take is the following, okay? On September 21st, we're about to get a news. 21st of September is going to be Wednesday. Now, hear me out. You do have this one red candle right here. You have another red candle right there. Maybe tomorrow go to the technical target down to 17,212, and that's going to be Tuesday, right? And who knows, by Wednesday that market can cause a pump to the upside, maybe. Or if you just print those three black crows, understand this, those three red candles back to back are bearish continuation candles. And all it means is that the prices are going to continue to go lower when you have three red candles back to back. So maybe three red candles and the news come in and boom, start to crash down and maybe go to the next technical target, which I'm about to tell you. And previously, remember the reversal wave that I talked about, that's going to be taking the fib retracement to learn where the next technical target is going to be. So I'm going to take the bottom here to the top, just right over there. And in my opinion, now that you're losing the 0.618, it's a very clear loss of 0.618, the golden ratio. I do see things coming down to $14,111. Now keep in mind, on the monthly time frame, we're still looking to basically come down to even $8,500. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.